In this segment, you will learn how to install a door molding using Fusor 182 double-sided tape. Benefits of using Fusor 182 include super high strength, 1/4 inch width, repositionable.
Heat the area with a heat lamp or heat gun to weaken the original bond, which helps in the removal process. Use a putty knife or plastic spreader to detach the original molding from the body. Next, using a rubber wheel, strip the original adhesive from the body panel. Clean the surface with Fusor plastic and rubber cleaner, stock number 703. Use masking tape to mark a straight line for proper molding installation. On the molding, remove the original tape flush to the back. Then sand the back of the molding using a DA sander with 80 grit sandpaper. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris. Spray a thin coat of Fusor plastic surface modifier, stock number 602EZ, and allow to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then apply Fusor double-sided tape, stock number 182, to the back of the molding and trim as needed. Remove the plastic backing from the tape. Position and reattach the finished molding, applying uniform pressure from one end to the other to secure.
This completes the body molding installation procedure using Fusor 182. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.